This old guy DIY video has to do with the technique that I'm going to use to save this console on an old pontoon. So you can see on the bottom here, the thing is pretty water damaged. So what I did is just took a level, and since it still sits on the deck of the pontoon okay, I'm not worried about precision, but I took the level. This thing is 2 1/4 inches tall, so I ran it all the way around, put a mark there with my Sharpie, and now I'm going to take my circular saw and I'm going to cut this off, and then what I'm going to do is take a piece of 2x8 that'll go on the inside. It's going to have a little piece of 1/2 inch plywood on the outside here, so this will effectively sit on a new 1/2 inch base. So 30 years of rotten wood can be eliminated, and this thing is dirty, but I think it'll clean up okay, and I really don't want to put more work into this boat than I have to. We'll see how it goes. Here are the 3 water damaged pieces. This is what I cut off. So now I need to go make a little frame for it. Cut the new base out of an old 2x8, and then I dry fit it here, and I saw that I didn't have clearance for the speaker, so I just cut that notch out. Since I used the level to establish the height of the part I cut off, I'm just using the level as a fixture right now. I have the 2x8 piece in behind it. Now I'm going to get some wood screws. I'll put some wood screws through the good wood up here to hold this front piece. And then I'll do the same thing on the side pieces. Now the front piece is screwed in here with these 4 screws, so that's sturdy. Now I just have to do the 2 sides, and then I'll come back with that 1/2 inch plywood to finish it off. Now I cut a couple pieces of 1/2 inch plywood to act as fascia, and I just took finish nails. I put 6 in the front, I'll put 4 on each side, and I put 1 3-inch screw between this front piece and the side 2x8. So when I'm done with this, it should be a pretty nice tight structure. Now I have the little fascia done all the way around. So it's just a matter of rolling the foam and the vinyl back down and stapling the vinyl in place. This is what the console looks like with the structure repaired at the base. Now this side you won't be able to see because it's tucked up against the rail anyway. But once the hot chick cleans this thing up, it should look very presentable. We're making progress.